come such a long way, darling. Let's now win it now. We've got so much time to go, so let's fuck around. I know they are always talking to the ground. Just remember all of the love we have found. It seems that someone's always talking.
In this episode, we travel from Croatia to Montenegro. We leave the island of Vis, see some beautiful sunrises, and sail past the historical city of Dubrovnik, checking out of Croatia and into Montenegro.
It's before dawn, as you can see, and we've just left Vis Harbour, and I'm thinking about going back to bed.
You promised me the world, but all you've given me is an address. The travel and I'm doomed is only with my address. You promised me the world, but all you've given me is an atlas. The travel and I'm doomed is only with my address.
First day, a little wind that we're heading into, and the Canadian's been beaten.
I just want to eat my lunch.
A big announcement from Taryn. The fishing rod's doing something.
Hang on, I'll bring him in.
Oh, beauty. He's going straight to the deathbed.
Oh.
No! No!
Decided we should throw him back. Oh, good call. We'll catch him again. Maybe we should get the fishing net then.
Oh no!
Okay. Back where we were. God.
How'd I fall over the back? Oh, Karl.
So, gee, what are your thoughts on what just happened?
When Karl asked, is the fish big enough to use the net or the gaff? I think yes it was.
We're on again.
The net!
What are you doing there, Karl?
Get the net.
Why's that?
Because we're on. There's a fish.
How do you feel, Karl?
I don't know how to use the net. There we go.
Are you sure?
There it is. Oh yeah, he's the same as the last one, but bigger.
Same one! He came back!
He really wanted to be dinner.
Yeah! Oh, missed him!
Do you want me to come down?
This isn't real.
No, you can throw it backwards. Yeah. Got him!
Got him on board!
Oh, he's pretty.
That was close.
Don't put the net down, he'll jump out.
Alright, give us a good look, Karl. What's his name?
Dinner.
Don't give it
Dinner.
a name.
Juliet has adopted a unique rowing approach in Hercules the Tender. It's the reverse, backward, double front Canadian, maybe American paddle.
Oh no, now I'm sick of filming me.
What do you call this then?
Fried tuna? No, it's not even fried. Grilled tuna?
That we caught off the back?
Straight off the back.
It's dark. It's the morning.
Set up.
We're off to sail.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we've got up a bit early today to go and practice a bit of night sailing. So we're out there just looking for boats and rocks in the dark. It's quite fun.
You were needed now, while you're far away.
So Darren, what are we doing?
We're putting up the spinnaker pole for the very first time. So we don't exactly know what we're doing, but we'll figure it out.
Karl's thoughts?
We're completely confident. This goes on between that and that.
Something like that.
Check out this bad boy.
Before you know it, you're becalmed.
I can't wash the stains out of my mind. My bones lay tight. I miss you so. Sometimes I wish I didn't have to see you. Just only in my dreams.
Darren's just tidying up some ropes here as the sun's coming up.
Pretty nice.
Just another chore, another day, another sunrise.
Another day on the yacht.
Just another day in the office / home. I'm helping.
I want to feel your breath again against my eyes. It's been just too long.
How fast are we going, Shannon?
7 knots.
How does that feel?
Glorious. Something just happened.
They're stuck in a giggle loop. They're still giggling up there. And Juliet. Juliet's got a sneaky silent giggle.
Juliet's got like a pretty giggle and mine's just like a...
Oh god. Just had a visit from the Navy.
It's a ghost ship, there's no one on it. There's Dubrovnik.
So we've got a pretty average super yacht out here. Only the number 2 biggest in the world. Wait, I might have to get some better sources here. Give us a little rundown on the super lock.
Well, a helicopter just landed on top of it, and then a tender that's as big as our yacht then came to the wharf, and now they're just about to head past again in another tender. Was it the same one? And they have a submarine and missiles.
Whoa.
Missiles.
They have a submarine and missiles.
They have
Start again.
2 swimming pools, like 25 cabins with 70 crew. So I'm not sure quite how that works for the crew. A disco room or alley,
Which
or
we're
something.
probably going to hit up later.
Yeah, I think maybe we'll go hang out with them. Karl, Shannon and Juliet head into Dubrovnik for a look and think they've been left behind.
Being abandoned from Everlong. Karl's trying to get our captain's attention, but I think they're sailing away without us.
What are we doing, Karl?
We're about to moor upside on to the Croatian border and customs key.
Border and customs. So Rowan and Taryn over there are in charge of tying us up safely.
Shannon's around here too somewhere.
Shannon's going to jump off, but we let yesterday the lady broke her leg here. Trying to moor up tonight. Good luck, Shannon. Break the leg.
Woo! At customs. And we found our ship's cat.
He wants to come to Montenegro with us.
Check it out.
He looks Montenegrin.
not
And
sure
colouring.
about a third ginger on the boat.
Oh.
We're leaving Croatia. So we're taking the Croatian flag down and we're going to put the Montenegro flag up and our quarantine flag.
The inaugural flag changing ceremony. Woo!
Croatia!
We're homeless and nameless.
We're pirates.
We're pirates.
We can colour code our cable ties to our flag.
And I guess it'd be nice.
Good choice.
We're saying goodbye to the Croatian cliffs. You know, the Montenegro cliffs look the exact same. Montenegro flag is flying.
We are outside Cavtat in Montenegro waiting to check into our first country.
Yes, we are.
We've just got completely lost trying to find the customs dock, but we finally found it, and now we've got to figure out how we're going to moor up against it without getting off the boat, because we're not allowed to. So fun and games shall ensue.
Everlong Port Montenegro, what is your present position? Because we cannot see you on custom dock.
Port of Montenegro, this is Everlong. We have just pulled up to the customs dock now. Over.
Okay, understood.
Now he knows we got lost.
So you'll remember our proudly hoisted Montenegro flag, which it turns out is from Malta.
Welcome to Malta!
Over here we have Montenegro. That's upside down. Here we have Montenegro. Our customs friend was a helpful person who did take us out, tell us to go back to Malta.
She was very subtle. Do you have a Montenegro flag?
How'd you get?
All good.
We're in?
We're in Montenegro.
What's happening here with our flag?
So we have a Montenegro flag, for real, and it turns out you can't believe everything you hear because the last one wasn't Malta, it was Spain. We're sorry to anyone who was watching and got real offended.
How'd you go?
Oh my god! Get back in the box. Oh god.
We have our very first rainstorm since arriving in Europe. And over there we have Taryn scrubbing the deck with the rain.
Okay. Cheers.
I finished my beer and I don't have any pancakes. You have pancakes.
And check them out, 3 layers of banana and walnuts and pancake and honey. Get out of it.
They look delicious.
Why don't you just order them, Karl?
The waiter said I can't. I'm part of the special. It's ridiculous. No pancakes for you.
So what do you have to do if you want the pancake?
Share.
Your pancake.
I can't even. You gotta roll this guy out.
Yes, you for sure you can. We did it.
Not with that attitude, you can't. What have you got there, Karl?
Alright. I just got some pancake. It's not going well. Falling apart.
Alright, the calendar's been reset. So we know what day it is.
0 days on Pancake
Sunday.
Sunday. Next episode, we sail to Greece.
We've come such a long way, darling. Let's not